Hey there, Randall here. In this newest video tutorial, we're going to have a demonstration on how I unlock my iPhone's carrier. This process that I use to carrier unlock my iPhone is really hard to find. I think I tried almost every technique and methods on every corner of YouTube, but the results are all failed. If you are experiencing SIM not valid errors when you try to insert a different SIM network, then this tutorial will definitely solve your problem. Before we start the tutorial, please remove your SIM card completely so we can fully use our iPhone without any errors. After you've done that, the first things that we need to do is to go to our iPhone setting because we need to turn on some settings before we start the tutorial. Just open the setting and go to General and look for this. We need to make sure that this on is turned on. After you're done with the setting, let's now go ahead to the next step. Open your Safari or any browser of your choice and go to this website. Take note that this network unlocker also works on Android devices. Just click here if you want to network unlock Android. Now go to the first drop-down menu and choose the model of your iOS device. At the second drop-down menu, we need to choose the current iOS version of our device. After that, make sure to turn on the Unlock Worldwide option. You can notice that you don't have to put your IMEI number, simply because the website will automatically detect your IMEI after you click the Start Unlock button. After clicking Start Unlock button, you will receive a pop-up confirmation like this. Just click Carrier Unlock so we can continue the process. After we confirm the pop-up, it will automatically start the process, and all we have to do is to wait for the network unlocker to do its job. There is a rare case after this processing stage. It may ask for additional plugin that needs to be done, but do not worry, it only happens like once in a blue moon. But in case this happens to you, you just follow the instructions that they will say. And I think there is another video tutorial on how to finish this additional plugins, and I think that it will only take a couple of minutes to finish, so don't worry about it. Now that we are finished with the unlocking process, let's see if our iPhone is already network unlocked. The network unlocker will only take effect after you restart your iPhone. Let's restart our device so we can check if our iPhone is already carrier unlocked. Okay, now let's insert the SIM card again that we want to use to see if it's still getting the SIM not valid message. And now, as you can see, guys, that my iPhone successfully read the SIM card, it means that my device is already network unlocked. I can now use any SIM card worldwide without getting SIM not valid error. I hope that it also works on your device. Just make sure to follow all the steps and you won't be having any trouble. If you enjoy the video, make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell to get notified of my future tutorials.